Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to activate Verizon eSIM. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so there's three different ways we can do this for new line or new account or add a line. For existing line, switch from physical SIM or another eSIM device or Android specific steps. Now let's go ahead and talk about for new line and new account add a line. Alright, so for a new line or device, so this is first time activation, we need to go ahead and install My Verizon app on your phone and connect to Wi-Fi. From there, open the app and sign into your Verizon account. Then go to shop or bring your own device if you're using your own phone. Follow the steps to activate a new line with eSIM. The app will automatically detect your phone's eSIM or provide a QR code to scan. Once complete, your eSIM profile will be downloaded and activated. Now, if you're switching from a physical SIM to eSIM, same line, make sure your phone is connected to Wi-Fi. Open the My Verizon app and sign in. Go to device sections and choose change or replace device. Select switch to eSIM and follow the on-screen prompts. Your current SIM will be deactivated and the eSIM will be installed automatically. On Android devices, so we want to go ahead and open up settings, network and internet or connections. Mobile network, tap add carrier or download eSIM, choose Verizon from the list or scan a QR code if prompted. Then from here, go ahead and follow any setup prompts to complete the activation. On iPhone, open settings, cellular, add cellular plan, use your camera to scan the eSIM QR code or select the option to use a downloaded plan. Follow the prompts to activate.